So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be reviewing a secret email system. Yes, so this is an ebook, not a software, but this is an ebook that reveals how to build a seven-figure online business. If you want to scale, grow, start your digital business in 2021, because of the pandemic, there's nothing is going on around the world. The world has come to a stop, but you can still grow a digital business if you want to start, grow a digital business. This ebook is definitely for you. It will tell you about ethical email marketing to drive your revenue, sales, and commissions. As you can see, it is an ebook. Only few days left. It is releasing tomorrow, this September 28th, and it is for $5.60 as opposed to $37, which it was before. All you have to do is just give your email address, your phone number, pay the $5.6, and you'll get your ebook. If you want to link to it, I'll leave it in the description. And if you buy this, just send a screenshot to me on my Instagram. I'll leave a link to it in the description, and I will give you a bonus from my side, a personal and extra bonus just for you. So let us see what is the secret email system. It is basically an approach in creating and running an online business, specifically a freedom lifestyle business that allows you to build a sustainable and profitable long-term business, and it works for you. So you don't have to work, 24/7. It works. This business machine that you will create will work for you 24/7. So you can take out time. You can enjoy your life while the business works for you. That is the secret email system. So it is basically a shortcut, as the author says. It is basically a shortcut. Why? I'll tell you. Because the older way was you have to work hard, you have to study the models, you have to create a product, landing page, sales page, upsell page, make and run ads, sell products, manage supports, and then you would get paid. But with this, all you have to do is you have to set the email marketing model. That means you hardly have to work. You can build a list and mail the list, which is automated. This book tells you how to automate all of that, and you can directly go to being paid, which is again automated. Let's see what do you get in the package. So obviously the secret email system ebook is included. Other than that, the action bonuses that are included is irresistible offer video guide, secret email system checklist, 3x formula calculator, 2.1 mil email swipe files, my secret 357,582 lead generation templates, 10,978 new leads, daily masterclass, secret of millionaire mind book. As you can see, there are 10 extra bonuses that are being given to you on the purchase of this one book, only for $5.6, and you'll be given a bonus number 11 just from my side. So Matt Basic says that he worked 60 to 80 hours a week, and then going from there to hardly working and still earning and enjoying his life is what secret email system has done to him. You can use the system to promote or sell anything, including affiliate products, flash drive, CDs, book, house. As you can see, there are lots and lots of things, and he sold that using this exact email marketing system, which is only $5.6, right? So this is what Matt Basic said that he used to get the seven-figure business that he's running today. So he has his disclosure here. As you can see, there are sales. So it is not a scam or anything. As you can see, it is he has got the sales he is talking about. And as you can see here, the total sales is crossing 1 million mark. And another screenshot here. So, and also he's got these many subscribers, so you can see that he will keep on getting the money 24/7. So it is a completely counterintuitive system, online selling system that he shares in this ebook. All you have to do is, as you can see here, all you have to do is just download this ebook. How? All you have to do is just pay $5.6, and it will be delivered instantly. You don't have to wait for days for it to deliver. You have to enter your email ID and pay the money, and it'll be delivered to you instantly. So with this, guys, I'll pause it here, and I'll continue tomorrow, the 28th of September. And if you want to check this out, if you want to buy this, I'll leave a link to it in the description. If you buy this ebook using this link, just send me a screenshot on my Instagram, DM me, and I will give you a bonus from personally from my side, not excluding all of these bonuses. So that is it, guys. Thank you.